So hello guys, thank you so much for tuning back sa aking YouTube channel. So for today's tutorial, this is all about an application kung saan po pwede po tayong kumita through our Gcash accounts, and this is very best for those who are working at home. So stay tuned. Once downloaded na po yung application na to, all we have to do is to open. So pagka-open po niyan, ang first screen na bubungad po sa inyo is yung welcome coins nila na 10,000 free coins upon sign up po. You can sign up this, you can sign up either on your Facebook, using your Facebook account or your Google account. So this is the homepage guys. Ito yung homepage. Ito yung makikita mo. Meron silang egg. Ito yung wallet mo. Ito yung laman. Ito yung diamonds. And ito yung hint. Babawas. Pagka ipipindutin nyo po ito, mababawasan yung coins nyo. Okay. And then, before po tayo maglalaro, another ways of earning guys is through invitation. So, inviting. Let's tap on this. So, for every friend invited, get up to 15,000 free coins. Ito yung invitation code nyo pag once gagamitin nyo ng mga invites ninyo. Dito makikita yung ilan na yung invite, ilang gold coins yung na-earn, ilang diamonds yung na-earn. So, eto sa baba, share the link to your friends. They download and register successfully. So, pagka daw po may nag-download and registered successfully gamit ang link ninyo, meron kayong 5,000 free coins. So, 50 diamonds if your friend completes 15 levels on the same day of registration. You will be rewarded with diamonds, which is 50. And 10,000 free coins if your friend every day completes 15 levels for 3 days in a row. So, yan po yung another ways of earnings. So, once you click this invite now, you will be routed here. You can just copy this content, paste it to your Facebook, to your Instagram, or any social media platforms. Okay. And another ways of earning po is through task. So, once you click that, you will be routed here. So, you can tap on this 30 days rewards double. So, I just log in today so that that's why I earned 300 free coins. So, kung lalagin ulit ako bukas, meron another 300 coins and so on. Another ways of earning is through watching videos. All you need to do guys is to click on this watch. So you will be routed on watching ads para po ma-receive nyo tong reward na ito. And let's tap on our profile. Tingnan natin. So dito din sa invite friends, meron din silang reward. So let's try to click on this. So yan yung kanina. And fill in the invitation code. Halimbawa po may nag-invite po sa inyo. So, once po ilalagay nila yung invitation, ilalagay mo yung invitation ID nung nag-invite sa'yo, meron kang marireceive na another 2,000 golden coins. So, ito po yung ID na yan. Yun po yung ID number na ilalagay dito sa fill in invitation code. Okay, and then let's try to play. So, drip, hit, dip, rip, read. Okay, so it's up to you guys. If you wanted to double your reward, you can tap this, or you can just simply tap on next level. Let's try to tap next level. You will be routed on another set of letters: fair, air, far, fear. Okay. So it's up to you if you wanted to double your reward, or try to the next level. So once you tap this one, you will be routed to advertisement, so you can get another $50 in total of $100. So just tap on next level, and then as you can see guys, I already have 10.99 thousand. Ano ba yan sabihin? Let's try to tap on this wallet. So you can withdraw either through your Lazada account or through your Gcash account. So let's try on Gcash kasi hindutin na lang natin tong Gcash. So you can withdraw 200 pesos. So that's equivalent to 2 million golden coins plus 500 diamonds is equals to 200 pesos. So I don't have enough coins yet. Hindi ko po maipapakita sa inyo kung paano po mag-withdraw for now. But what we'll need to do is to click on this confirm cash withdrawal. Let's try. So there's a pop-up message. I don't have enough coins. So that's it guys. Let's try to play another word. In 10, 10, 10, then dent, tend, net. I earn 55 golden coins, and that will be added right here. So I already have 11.05 points. So we'll just continue playing to earn more golden coins. So I will put the link on the description so that you can just click on it if you wanted to download. So things needed, of course, Android phones or mobile phones, internet connection. Hindi po pwedeng laruin kung walang internet connection dahil kailangan pong i-play yung ads dahil dyan din po tayo kikita sa mga ads na kanilang ibibigay sa atin. So thank you so much for watching guys. I hope you learn, and I hope you will be able to earn as well. So that's all for now. Thank you so much and have a good day. See you on the next video.